Ordering a taxi at the hotel.
Good morning. How may I assist you?
Good morning. Yes, please. I need a taxi.
No problem at all. Do you require it immediately?
Yes, as soon as possible, please.
Where will you be heading?
To Grand Central Station.
Okay. Do you have a train departure time you need to meet?
Yes, my train leaves at 10 o'clock.
It is currently 8:45 a.m. You have time, but there is quite a lot of traffic congestion today.
Oh dear, will I still make it on time?
Yes, provided the taxi arrives promptly. I will call for one right away.
Thank you very much.
You are staying in room 203, correct?
Yes, that's right.
Do you have much luggage?
Yes, I have one large suitcase and a backpack.
Understood. I will be sure to request a larger vehicle for you.
Wonderful, thank you.
Are you traveling alone?
Yes, I am going to Chicago to visit my family.
How lovely. The taxi should be here in about 10 to 15 minutes.
Perfect. Can I wait here in the lobby area?
Of course. Please feel free to make yourself comfortable.
Thanks. Is there a coffee machine available nearby?
Yes, it is located to the left of the elevators.
Great, I certainly need a coffee right now.
Ha ha ha. Coffee and travel always seem to go hand in hand.
True. Can I pay the fare using a credit card?
Yes, I will inform the driver of that preference.
Excellent. Thank you for arranging everything.
My pleasure. Ah, the taxi has arrived already.
Really, that was incredibly fast.
Yes, it's waiting right outside the main entrance.
Perfect. Thank you for your assistance.
You are very welcome. Have a wonderful trip and a nice day.
Thanks. You have a nice day too.
Hotel breakfast chat.
Good morning. Yes, thank you very well.
Great to hear. Would you like some breakfast?
Yes, I'm very hungry today.
Wonderful. What is your room number, please?
302.
One moment. Yes, breakfast is included.
Super, thank you. Is it a buffet?
Yes, it is. It's over there next to the big windows.
What selection do you offer?
We have toast, croissants, cereal, cheese, and fresh fruit. Everything is laid out.
And for drinks?
Of course, coffee, tea, orange juice, and hot chocolate are available.
Perfect. Could I take 2 croissants?
Of course, feel free to take as much as you like.
Thank you. Do you happen to have yogurt?
Yes, plain and with fruit. It's kept in the small fridge.
Great. And are there eggs available?
Yes, we have both boiled eggs and scrambled eggs.
I'll definitely try the scrambled eggs then.
Good choice.
Am I free to sit anywhere I choose?
Yes, all the tables are currently free.
Then I'll take the table by the window. I really enjoy the morning light.
Good idea. The sun is shining brightly today.
Do you have butter?
Yes, it's right next to the jam and the honey.
Ah, perfect. And if I want more juice later?
Just help yourself. The pitcher is located right over there.
Thank you. What time does breakfast service end?
Until 10 a.m. So you still have plenty of time to enjoy your meal.
Super. This is my very first breakfast in the United States.
Then welcome. Are you enjoying it so far?
Yes, very much. The bread is especially delicious.
It was delivered fresh from the bakery this morning.
I can certainly tell.
If you require anything else at all, please don't hesitate to let me know.
Thank you. You're very helpful.
Enjoy your meal, Mrs. Smith.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Buying a gift.
Hello there. How may I help you today?
Hello. Yes, please. I'm trying to find a gift.
Certainly. Who is the present for?
It's for my sister.
Ah, lovely. Is it for a special occasion like her birthday?
Yes, exactly. She's celebrating her 25th birthday.
What kind of items does she usually prefer?
She likes things that are simple and beautiful.
In that case, how about a scented candle? They are very popular right now.
Oh, yes, that sounds promising.
Look here, we have options like lavender, vanilla, or orange blossom.
The vanilla scent is quite appealing.
Would you like to try smelling it closer?
Yes, please. Oh, I really love that one.
Wonderful. It is priced at $12.
Okay, I'll take it.
Would you be interested in anything else? Perhaps a small bracelet. This silver one is very minimal and elegant.
That looks very nice. What is the cost?
$20.
Okay, I'll purchase that too.
Excellent choices. Should I gift wrap everything for you?
Yes, please.
Will you be paying by card or with cash?
By card, please.
Please tap or insert your card right here. Perfect, you are all set. Here is your receipt and the wrapped gift.
Thank you very much for your help.
You are very welcome. Happy birthday to your sister.
Thanks, I hope she enjoys them.
I'm sure she will. Have a lovely day.
Thanks, you too. Goodbye.
The broken air conditioning.
Good afternoon. How may I assist you?
Hello, yes. I have a slight issue in my room.
Oh, what seems to be the problem?
The air conditioning is not working.
I am very sorry to hear that. Could you please give me your room number?
It's 307 on the 3rd floor.
Is it very warm in the room?
Yes, extremely warm. I couldn't sleep.
I understand. Did you attempt to power cycle it? Turn it off and on again?
Yes, I tried that numerous times, but nothing happens.
Is there a display light or any operating sound?
No, nothing at all. It's completely dead.
All right. I will call our maintenance technician immediately.
Can he come today?
Yes, he is already on the premises.
Great, thank you.
When exactly did you first notice the issue?
Last night. It wasn't operational then either.
Okay. Would you like a fan to use in the meantime?
Oh yes, that would be wonderful.
No problem. I will bring one up to you right away.
Perfect, thank you.
The technician will inspect it shortly.
Is he capable of fixing it?
We hope so. If not, we will provide you with a new unit tomorrow.
And what if it cannot be repaired quickly?
In that case, we will certainly move you to another room.
Thank you. That is very considerate.
Of course. We want to ensure your comfort.
I appreciate that. Should I wait in the room for them?
Yes, please remain there. We will be up soon.
Thanks for all your help.
You're welcome. Have a pleasant day despite the heat.
Thanks. The fan will definitely help. See you shortly.
Lost luggage report.
Hello? Are you a member of staff here?
Hello, yes. I work for baggage services. Are you experiencing an issue?
Yes. My suitcase is missing.
I see. Where did your flight originate?
From Rome this morning.
And you landed here in New York recently.
Exactly, about an hour ago.
Did you wait for it at the baggage carousel?
Yes, but my bag never appeared.
Do you still have your baggage claim ticket?
Yes. Here you are.
Thank you. Could you state your full name?
Paul Martin.
Thank you, Mr. Martin. What is the color of your suitcase?
It's black with a small yellow identification tag.
Is it a large bag or a smaller one?
It is small.
What details are on the tag?
My name and my contact phone number.
Perfect. I will check the system now. Please bear with me.
Thank you. I really hope it hasn't been permanently lost.
Don't worry. I've located it. Your suitcase is currently still in Rome.
Oh, so what happens next?
No problem at all. It is scheduled to arrive in New York tomorrow.
Are you certain of that?
Yes, and we will arrange to deliver it directly to your hotel.
That's excellent. I am staying at the Hotel Sun.
Okay, I will make a note of Hotel Sun.
Do I need to come back to the airport later?
No, we will contact you by phone once the suitcase has arrived here.
Thank you very much. That is extremely helpful.
You are most welcome. Do you require anything essential for tonight?
Yes, I don't even have a toothbrush.
There is a convenience shop just over there on the right with all the necessities you might require.
Perfect. Thanks again.
Think of it as your suitcase taking a quick one-day vacation in Rome.
And it seems to be luckier than I am.
Have a good evening, Mr. Martin, and a great stay in New York.
Thank you. See you soon, hopefully with my suitcase in hand.